It's your girl Frankie, and I'm here with another video as an independent filmmaker living in Chicago. I am excited to take this journey with y'all because I am going to go step by step on how I am going to do my pilot for an idea that I have. So today's chapter in this video is going to be about the idea. You have to start someplace, right? And I am starting from the idea. I'm excited to bring this to life, and I am going to have to show y'all how I'm going to do funding, how I'm going to pick my crew, how I'm going to pick my cast. Each video will be a different chapter expressing that. So my idea down, but I am going to give y'all the tagline, the one hitter quitter, whatever that is going to be about. So my series is going to be about a woman who wins a huge jackpot lottery, and she is going to invest in space travel. That's all I'm going to get in for right now, and y'all will get through with me like everything else. Like I said, this video is just the idea because I want to encourage people and inspire people, because yes, you can have an idea about something and, you know, write it down, believe in it, make it happen. People are not going to believe in you, and people are going to probably doubt you and say that you sound ridiculous. If you want to do it, do it. Look at like half the movies on Tubi. They make it happen even if it don't make sense. So I know if you have an idea and you know it makes sense, make it happen. Like, we have to create our own opportunities, and I'm a big believer in that. With that being said, I have an idea for a concept and I want to develop it. And there is nothing holding me back. Even though, I'm going to be honest with y'all, I'm going to be real vulnerable with y'all. Your sister right now, she living paycheck to paycheck. But, lucky for me, it's the end of the year. And I don't know about y'all, but it's almost Taxmas. That's what I call it. And I have a child, so I am one of the people that get some stacks. I get a little couple of extra on this high. And most of the year I've been paying my bills. So I put money to the side. I want to save money. But I am going to invest like $1,400 towards making my concept, my proof of concept or pilot, whatever you want to think of it as. It won't be like super long. This isn't going to be a web series. I'm thinking of different outlets that I'm going to put it at. Like, this is the part of the idea process. Where do I want my series to go? How many episodes do I want it to be? How many locations? How many, like, it's a whole thing. So this chapter is the idea, creating where I want to go with this, how I'm going to do this. And then the next episode, I'm going to be showing y'all a little bit of the script. I started the script, actually. I'm a person, once I write it down, I can envision at least the first 3 scenes. So that's all I'm at right now, just the first 3 scenes. But follow me in this journey as I take y'all with me on writing the script. Like I said, finding locations. A lot of stuff is going to be at home first, because I am in Chicago and it is wintertime. Unusually warm. Like Christmas, it was like 55 degrees on Christmas in Chicago. That's not normal, not for us. It's like cold. So it's actually raining all day today, and okay, it is what it is. But a lot of my stuff starts first with calls, emails, checking the internet before I go out and about and pop up at these places, because again, I don't have a car, not right now. But since I know I have a big lump sum of money coming, which is my income tax, I know that I can put money towards my dream, like invest in myself. Because if you don't do it, how can you expect somebody else to do it? So I know that I want to start this in March. I'm doing two major things to me in March. I'm going to be filming this because in my mind it's going to be like a 3-day shoot. I want to shoot 1 day each location. And then I want to go back. I've never been to South by Southwest. So I am super excited to experience that. It's not just a music festival. It have films and stuff there for people that don't know. That's the part I'm inspired to go with. So I'll be doing that with my little brother. That'll be on my channel. My channel, although I talk about like TV and stuff, that's the focus of my channel. I want it to be like everything TV, film, and being a filmmaker myself in Chicago. Like, this is something I love to do. I love capturing moments. I also do photography, but I'm more passionate about creating and doing films because I like having ideas. It's like as a kid, I had a huge imagination, and I get to bring up my imagination to life in my short films and stuff. I have 3 of my short films on this channel. I'm going to upload some more later, but I am on a mission to I'm on a mission to make this happen for me. For 20, I just want to make something happen. I want to be able to have enough encouragement for myself, and kind of doing this documentary, you want to call it, and bringing y'all in with me, holding me accountable, because it's going to be like out there, and it's going to be I don't know, I'm going to show people it's possible. So if you are interested in joining my journey and see where I go from here, and my trials and errors, because I will show y'all the good and the bad. And if you are interested in that, please subscribe to my channel. Click the little notification bells, because I will post weekly, but I don't know how often I'm going to post, because I think the first couple of episodes of this are going to go a little choppy, like not choppy, but more frequently. But when I'm actually getting out here and stuff, the money stuff won't start till the end of February or March, realistically, because that's when I get my taxes. Because right now my money is for my bills. Yeah, but if you are interested, again, follow me and come on this journey with me. I'll be so happy to have y'all.